Hello YouTube, this is my video review of a Wenger Swiss Army knife. This one is about 3 years old. Got it for 60 bucks at Dick's. Use it every day. The attachments it has is a knife, stainless steel, Switzerland. Here's the size compared to a flash drive. It's a smaller one. Very sharp though. Sharpened it a couple times, but it holds its sharpness. Has a bottle opener and a flathead screwdriver. Also stainless steel. Wire cutter. Very sharp. Nail file. Saw. Cut down a couple saplings already with it. Holds its sharpness. Very strong blade. Here's it compared to a flash drive. It's a good size. It is not cheap quality at all. Scissors, spring powered. The only problem I've had with this knife is the scissors. Once in a while the spring will get out of line and it won't open up again, but it happens very rarely and it just pops back in place. And when it closes, the spring goes in and goes right in. On the back side, you have a point to put holes in a belt. And a Phillips head screwdriver. There's also a keychain, find your keys, and I've lost them already, but there is a toothpick that goes in that hole, and tweezers. Stainless steel, and that one is plastic. Lost them though. But yep, here's a knife. Very good grip on it. Feels very comfortable. Here's it compared to a flash drive. Easily fits in your pocket for daily use. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.